Welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're working with the OMTech Polar 50 watt CO2 laser. It's got a 12 by 20 work bed, 50 watt CO2 system. What I'm working on today is stainless steel flasks. You should never engrave on a reflective bare metal surface like that, because it can, the laser can and will bounce around or reflect off of it, and it can damage the inside of your laser. So what you do is you use a laser marking spray. OMTech sent me over this to test, and I really like this material. Basically you take whatever you're going to engrave, give it a coat and let it dry. Then you place it in your laser and you engrave like normal. So stay tuned, I'll show you how it's done. We'll make a couple of flasks. Okay, so we've got our image set up in Lightburn. We've got our material in the laser bed. You'll notice I had to take out the honeycomb tray, and I'm working right off of the bed in the laser. With a honeycomb tray, it's actually just a little too tall. So this way here, I've got myself plenty of room. What I am running this at is 200 millimeters per second with a power of 30, which gives it plenty of energy to burn into the stainless steel without warping the stainless steel. Okay, so what you get is you get an image that looks like that. And if you take a rag, a damp rag, that's what I should have, and wash it off, you get your image is now burned into your stainless steel flask. So we now have two Punisher flasks. This one, when I wash this, when I have it yet, is just wiped with a dry rag. But there we go. Now I'm going to burn another one with a Harley-Davidson logo. Okay, so we've got our next one in position. This one is going to be an American flag. It says Harley-Davidson down one side, and in the upper left corner of, or upper right corner of it, there's the Harley-Davidson logo. We've got it set 200 millimeters per second, 30% power, and a material thickness of 0.1 millimeter, which will bring the laser head or tip right down to the material. So we're going to give it a go. So it's almost finished here. Got about another minute at the most. As you can see, it's burning it very clearly into the stainless, or onto the stainless. And then we just wipe it off with a damp rag, or wash it off with soap and water. And here we are. The laser is going to zero back out. So here you can see we have everything burned in, and we're just going to wipe her down. Get a dry cloth. And there we have the Harley-Davidson logo and the flag. So if you want to do stainless steel, not just flasks, but any type of stainless steel, shiny type surfaces, something that's not anodized. OMTech Laser Marking Spray. This stuff works great, as you can tell. There's a few different ones I've done. It does work really nice. You don't have to worry about anything reflecting around in your laser. Makes it safer, and it lasts. So I'll put the link for the puller and for the laser marking spray down below. If you want some, pick it up. I believe they're running a Black Friday sale now, or some type of sales. I'm sure they are at this time of the year. So check them out. Really cool products. It works really well.